cha ujite one cha yona le enje ukuthi uche wenza kanjani ngangithola but now umjito uchitile no emakhaya at that time bengisamfuna like ngishaya pressure amajita ngisho ukuthi wena ibhari wena
yo khonse no angazi what if lo muntu ngabe sekangishadile manje 3 years yonke
takusiyo lenye kuyiyo le type izithanda kwamampela ngithola
mina ngiyathanda khonse la ngiyakhona bhuti wami.
With your boy Am, it is what it is before it was what it was. This is Save My Relationship, brought to you by Spread Inc. Entertainment. On today's episode, Mpete Ukhonzi bringing umuntu wakhe. Let's get into it.
Sanibona ni igama ngokhonzi ngize la Save My Relationship ngendaba ukuthi ngidlise umuntu wami ibheka mina ngedwa so ayishimanje sekangihlula nje ayangithaya nje.
Yo, with your boy Am, it is what it is before it was what it was. As I said to you guys, ngcheka mawubani konje? Ukhonzi. Okay, umuntu wakho? Kimi. Okay, Kimi njani?
Ngiyaphila bhuti wami njani?
Ngiyaphila. Do you know why you came to our show?
Next.
Awuna clue. Okay, mtshela umuntu wakho ukuthi umletheleni la kule show yethu.
Cha ngingakambrief kahle Khotman.
Oh vele wamdrega nje kuphela wamlethela.
Yebo.
Okay, nisuka khona manje?
Actually kahle ngizokhuluma iqiniso la ngizoba clean nomuntu wami yabo.
No, okay.
Bavula isifuba.
No, kunemfihlo ezikhona la kule relationship yena.
Yebo like sebenza manje ngithanda ukuba clean naye yabo.
Okay.
Sibe straight.
How long have you guys been dating?
It's been 3 years now.
It's been 3 years. And yonke into right kule relationship yena.
Right, is happy. Like yonke into right nje.
Sharp. So when there is nothing you see that needs to be saved. Akuna next. Oh, okay. I think okay kunento ofuna ukutshela yena ne. Basically this show is Save My Relationship. It's a show whereby kunenkinga ku relationship nemfihlo. Izinkinga nemfihlo. Some people come here to take out imfihlo, some people come here to fix inkinga zabo.
I wonder.
So lana I think it's imfihlo ngoba there is nothing you suspecting and then into zenu zihamba kahle.
Nami nginazi ukuthi yonke into ihamba kahle mase angazi ukuthi sifike kanjani ke la emfihlweni nani.
Okay, itakutshela ukuthi ukuletheleni kule show le ukuthi singacithi isikhathi ke ungamtshela ukuthi uletheleni.
Show kahle kini isithanda sami niqiniso nje ukutshela lona yabo. Yeah ukuthi mina nawe uze sibe together kuze kanjani yabo. Yeah so like Khotman nami ngisho ukuthi like kune security like nginokusebenzisela umuthi isithanda sami yabo. Ukuze sihlangane mina nawe nje. Shuthi ngingakusebenzisela umuthi because ngibona ukuthi you're not my league yabo so I decided to go to traditional healer and then because actually ngiyenza into ngoba ngikuthanda uyabona kanjani but bungithi die na all along Khotman now so wangithi die na
no bekakubambisa sonke lesikhathi
ngibambisa Khotman so ngabona ukuthi sithanda sami ngcono ngivele ngithathe le ndlela le yabo ngifile ngathi angina choice.
So usebenzise i-love potion.
Yeah, ngisibandisa ibheka mina ngedwa nje.
Ibheka mina ngedwa. Oh, ibheka mina ngedwa.
Yeah. Yabo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Khonzi.
Serious sana sama kuba nje kuba ungithwakele ngone nje.
Khonzi ngithembe kangaka.
Baje ukuba sana sama isithanda
How
sama.
could you Khonzi?
Sana sama
Khonzi ungisebenzisela umuthi.
Sana sama. I wanted to tell you but like bengana indlela ukuthi ngakutshela ngayo like uyabona like every time ngifuna
Okay Khonzi ngibuze kuqala ukuthi uqale nini ukungisebenzisela umuthi?
Actually ngathi ukusebenzisa umuthi before uhlangana nawe I think mhlawumbe masihlangana namhlanje it was the day before we met. Should mangokulanda the first day uhlangana nawe nje it was already on. Yabo that's why impression yakho ngiyitheli ngiyithela ngkhona.
Oh wow.
Serious.
So tikudala kubambisa and then you decided to go the muti way.
Yeah, Khotman ngibona ngathi indlela esimple because amachita ngihlala ngepressure ngihlizi ngila yabo. Yeah, ngihlizi ngitshela amachita ukuthi bafika umntana ngiyamfuna and then lo uyabhamba yabo. Ekubena amachita ngathembisa ukuthi lengusi yangithanda yabo
so Kimi bekajola lesikhathi approach were you in a relationship?
Yes.
You were in a relationship?
Yes, I was. Benginomuntu.
Yeah, ngithola nomuntu Khotman, ngithola nomuntu file yabo. But ngabona ukuthi
shuthi la relationship le yami usebenzise umuthi ukuthi ngiphume kuye kahle.
eish sithanda sami
Unginanda
I wanted
ngokuthi-
to tell you I wanted to tell you but benganandlela njengoba ngisho ukuthi benganandlela eish engayenza ngayo yabona like benganandlela engayixpressa ngayo sithanda sami eish
So uthi uzame yonke indlela ukuthi umwine over as your girlfriend and then akuna next esebenzile.
Eish,
This is the only route that
this is
worked.
the only route mfethu yabo like indlela ukuthi because ngizwele ngamajita feel khona umjita wami angitshela ukuthi mfethu the only way ukuthi ungahook up ugele mfethu yiyo lendlela le yabo that's why ngibona angithanda kanje namhlanje yeah
Yile lento le. So is it isidliso noma yini into yakhona
ngidlisile
umdlisile like
Yeah,
ufake
futhi-
ekudleni kwakhe?
futhi from amagama ukhuluma mangizoqala nje
Oh mawukhuluma naye.
yeah mangizoqala nje ngimthinta ngikhuluma naye ngibheka phakathi kwamehlo sekangenile khona umthinta nje isandla nje sekangenile nje ngimbheka like maintain nje eye contact. Yeah,
So that's how it works.
that's how it works from there masuke empedeni ke sengifaka ona nala level
Khonze I'm so disappointed.
So-
I'm disappointed khonze and kunini kithi bangikhuza ngawe. Kunini bangikhuza ngawe kanti uyazi ukuthi ngifakeni khonze.
Ash.
Ungisebenzisela umuthi kuzo zonke izinto khonze.
ash amsuka mara
Yo khonze no angazi.
amsuka
I don't think ukuthi ngizokhona ukuhlala nomuntu engamthembi ongidlisele umuthi. No, I don't think ukuthi ngizokhona khonze. No. Uzenzile khonze angisakufuni. Khonze.
Ngixolele.
No. Sonke lesikhathi ngihleli nawe. Ungisebenzisela umuthi.
ash khotman namcini
So yini okay yini awungitshela ukuthi yini ekwenza ukuthi umtshele namhlanje ukuthi okay
eish khotman nami lento yangihlula khotman
iyakuhlula kanjani ngayiphi indlela?
seyangihlula kanjalo ukuthi le sherry like the way ayenza ngakhona manje isebenza kakhulu mfethu yabo like thangizela nasemajiteni she's calling every time like so like ibehavior like ungenzela yona reset nje
Mara yini uyamthanda?
like bengimthanda before but now ish I hope man nami no ish like lento bengazi ukuthi uzofika la
Yini she's too clinging on
she's
you.
too like the phone ngifonela like ngisakwazi ukulona amajita ngishaya ipia jo ngisho give me is all around jo ngisho sana ngifonela ngo12 ebusuku wangazi ukuthi ufunani ngisho
Wangihlala nini?
so nami ngisana ukuthi yangishola ngikwade yangishola at some point that's why ngifune ukuthi separate sithola sami like because ngibona lento le mangizohlala naye si2 endaweni yi1 ish ay ba strong like in Scotland ish so
Awe ukuthi ungwestele isikhathi singaka. 3 years yonke.
like mangisithanda sami ngikuthanda
Ungimoshele.
bengilami
Ungimoshele khonzi.
Bengikuthanda.
La ngiphuma khona.
hash bengikuthanda makasana sami ngithi
Only to find out ukuthi awungithandi.
bengikuthanda
Liphelile uthando lakho. Khonzi ngizame yonke into. Ngikenzela yonke into. Ngikubonisa uthando lonke. Namhlanje uzongitshela ukuthi awungithandi.
mangithanda sami like indlela bengimene ngithathe bengana choice sala sami bengana choice eish
Yo khonzi. Angazi nokuthi ngithini.
eish
Khonzi ungwestele isikhathi. Wangihlukanisa nomuntu bengimthanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke. Umuntu bekangithanda in return.
but sana sami nami bengikuthanda phela
Bongithanda.
bengibona ukuthi lento le
What if lo muntu ngabe sekangishadile manje 3 years yonke down the drain.
but now ngiyakhumbula nami ukuthembisa ukushada
But you didn't.
ukuthembisa ukushada
Kodwa awungishada awungilobolanga nokungilobola khonzi.
but uyisona ukuthi bengana mali bengitohoza nje
Le mali lebo uya ngayo emuntwini. Bothenga umuthi ngayo. Why bongasebenzisi yona?
I couldn't
But then today uzotshela mina ukuthi awusangifuni. Amandla amangaka khonzi.
bekumele ngifocus kuwe like bengisakuthanda
Namhlanje ngiyadina.
eish
Into zami ukuyisho ngiyadina.
Aish.
Ngihlelela entameni khonzi. So uhamba namajita amajita
Yeah,
iwakhambisa izinto asikenzisa izinto.
Aish,
Namanje
Sithando
yiwakutshelile ukuthi ungilahle.
sona sami angina chance bengana
Sofuna omunye manje. Sofuna omunye sokhona omunye ofuna ukumdlisa khonzi.
sana sami bengikuthanda strong
Khona ubonile sofuna ukumdlisa manje.
Manje,
Uzohamba
ungayithanda.
udlisa wonke labantu.
ngonga chance explain
I'm so disappointed.
ngonga chance
I'm
khona
hurt.
nami ngonga chance explain
I'm hurt.
ukimi ngimfrustana blind
So khona manje yini ukuthi uclinge nje kuphela ukuthi
like ish bithi uyangithayela kanjani ngoba sinini like bithi every like uma ngizongena endaweni mfethu ngisho like ufuna ukuthi like abe khona ngispanini ufuna ungikhapha eTaxini
yakhapha
epete like makimi bakwazi bengithanda ma ish ile nto sithanda
abakutshelanga ukuthi izoba lento le
ayish bengazi ukuthi ngizoba
awubuzanga ukuthi
No,
ama
like-
side effects walento
no noma ulithi mangangale into ngitshela ukuthi mfethu lento lishekelo uzokuthanda okay sharp yikho ezicabanga uzicabanga wena into angitshele ngokudala
wena
lishekelo
wakuthi into
uzocabanga
right lento
at that time bengisamfuna like ngishaya pressure ngamajita ngisho ukuthi wena uyibhari wena ngishona ngabona ngakudala lishekelo mpitama ngiyamthanda
wena bomthanda noma amajita akufosile ukuthi uye ku
pressure
peer pressure bongamthandi
Fere bengimfrustana ngisola benginale like it ngincane amalooks wakhe ngithola nale way shooting nale out leyazi zobeka sona nayo lengithola nayo ngithola lengithola nayo ngithi out ish bengafrustana na apply but nami benginekwalo ukuthi ish ngithi nami bengafrustana
umuntu nje
yabo ya sinta ploma sika stamp yabo ngibona ukuthi at least yabo singatlika yabo maka ngabona ukuthi azini singimshanga ebheka mina ngedwa ngitayi but now but they say they sindlulele sana sami like ngumthanda feel
too much
I say too much into le bit
uzomela uyimele ke indaba yakho buti ngoba mina akunalanya khona akunalanya khona anithi uyifakile uzoyimela akunalanya khona for the fact ukuthi uyistele 3 years yonke
but sana sami ngicabanga ukuthi ngathola indlela mhlambe uyikhipha lento yabo mhlambe singathola umuntu osingahlola kuye yabo akabise stuff like igapho into le if you are willing to
no mina ngiyakuthanda
but but akusukhulumayo you know like into lo isho ish lebona ukukhulumayo yabona khona nami bese khulumayo udaphakathi kwayo akusubuye into chelo akusubuye
so kimuthini ngalento ayisho ngoba athi ngoba bekakushela bese bongamfundi sonke lesikhathi bongamfundi vele
bengamfuni because bengihappy la bengihleli khona
and nini kwenza ukuthi umfune is it uyewaqala ukumthanda
ngala kumthanda makathi kimi yenza sona bengiyenza futhi bengingathathi ngesikhathi makaqala athi ngimphekele like bokumnandi naye bekangithanda in return but then sengimangala ukuthi ukhunzi akangifuni namhlanje
Lekalisiyo lengi uyiyo lekalisi isinokuthanda kwamampela ngithola
mina ngiyathanda khunze ndakunala ngiyakhona bhuti wami mina angazi
so manje
le uyifake ikhipha
but mina into bengicabanga mhlambe yake that's why ngicela uka clean nayo kimi ngithola kanjani because of I can't see like I can't stand seeing suffering tanamata safara kanje mfethu ngithola ya but nami sengizwisa ibhlungu into like kuseyangihlula nami mfethu ngithola but nami at some point mfethu nami I had to come clean mfethu ngithola because of
so manje uthando lisekho seliyahamba siyaphela noma kwenzakalani ngoba ngikuzwa ngathi uthi awusayifuni into
fele into bengiyayifuna ngithola but noma ngisefuna ukuthi manje kube into genuine ngithola kanjani
ufuna i real love manje so khathele
ufuna ngithande mina straight ngithola but angazi ukuthi uzongithanda kanjani ngoba mina ngifakela ile ngisho ukuthi angithanda ngoba umntana ngeke angifrustane umntana bengangifuni umntana lento khuluma nami mfethu akusuyi trust me bangithanda fele yes
thanda
yazi understand but akusile into leyo
akusuye khuluma
did you ever wawayo bona umuntu ebasenzuzwana nami awukazi ngina bakazi bakuchipa mhlawumbe ukuthi the way react ngakhona the way everything ukuthi urejectisa nokufonela mfethu umntana lo lithi mfethu umuntu lo mfethu cabanga wena nawo la mfethu athakakwazi ukudla mfethu cabanga nokhunzi lapho mfethu ngisespanini mfethu ngisengiyacabanga ukuthi aba manje ngibhekivula ifone mfethu ama-miss call no before sifika la ufone strong sholo ma 6 times mfethu bemele ngize ngihlangane naye one on one kanje uzazo understand ukuthi ekushubeka kamanga ngibonanga mfethu she goes crazy vela hlaye mfethu mina sis maintain eye contact ngisho sithanda sami esithanda sami
so abangani bakho bathi
abangani bamfele mfethu ngishola
bayazi abangani bakho ukuthi
amashita abaleka fela ngishola ngoba
mara bayazi ukuthi wenzeni la
amashita waqhafa umjito wani qafa yona le enje ukuthi uche wenza kanjani ngishola but now umjito uchiftile no emakhaya lento lebhekana nami ngiwani
and wena wazi ukuthi
angazi uhendlela kanjani
khonzi ngiyakuthanda yazi ngicabene nabantu bakithi ngicabene nabazali bami baloku bangikhuza ngawe kodwa ngakhetha wena overbone ngiyakuthanda khonzi ngiyakuthanda
isolution isenza kanjani sithanda sami if you angithanda
angiyazi ukuthi isolution ukugaba wabele umgabhisi that's the solution
ngiyangithola but angazi ukuthi wenza kanjani kodwa nanostabone mfethu into engimtshela yona mfethu akafuni ufuna le yena afuna uye mina ngiyenze kuye ngithola mangale mina ngifunayo ukuthi mfethu ephikisana nalento le ayimfethu ngathi silwane le mfethu lasebusuku mfethu sanokuvuswa mfethu ngidonse mfethu hey eso engasashine around mfethu asangashine around mfethu
Kimi so yabuza
asashine around nesekubo mfethu hey
athukhathele
mfethu
ubuklingi bakho
khonze ngizotshintsha ngizoyenza noma yini
but noma yini kanjani
so Kimi awungitshele if niyahamba akugabhise ngale bese uthando lakho liphele kuye then what
uzofika lapho mfethu uzofika lapho
kuzomela ngichubeke ngempilo because ngizofila ngathi ungwestele vele isikhathi eside
but
if ngibona ukuthi angimthandi no
awubona ukuthi nizame lento ayishoyo ukuthi ni awugap uyogap
but then what if ngizomluza futhi because ngiyamthanda
angithi that's when you're going to see which okay the love is genuine or it's not genuine.
Okay, we can give it a try. I'm willing.
But fair goat man nami ufuna ukuthi this thing ngigabhise yabo but yabona eish
aniyenze lento
ngamamela bangacabanga indlela lo mfethu ngisho lento izimiliti kuzophuma mfethu emzimbeni uzocabanga indlela mfethu
angeke sabe
uzicisha ngosicisha mfethu umuntu
so what's
imongo stuff lento engiyenzile mfethu
awuzama ukukhuluma nabantu abazaziyo into eso yangithola
so mamela but azimene yenzini cheke lo bekahle kimi akahle mina ngimfase mfethu mina ngithola indlela yokuthi ngimfase esitulweni angithola ngibe nomuntu nje ola iduze mfethu angithola kanjani or maybe ngimthathalele mfethu yimina ngimthathalele mfethu
akumela ngimthathe
ngithathamile kanje ngeke hayi la ngifuna ukuthi sekhona mfethu yebo mfethu ngizamile kuletha abo pasta mfethu lapha ngojeni lakhe angitholi sidini ukhiya
ngicabanga ukuthi sizame ke
manje
because ngiyamthanda I think ukuthi sizame
feel yabona feel ukuthi man lami sona bengicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe singaye esontweni yabo sama ukuthola mhlawumbe umpastor uboniswayo yabo mibe ngaprofita yabo asho ukuthi mhlawumbe isolution yakubo isathola kanjani ngithola
okay
yeah because
that's a way forward, that's a step forward
thola upastor nyana bezithandazela sithi yabo because nami mfethu everything into lezi angisafuni ukuzithatha mfethu into lezi benile ukungizenza mfethu angisho ngizangikhama nami mfethu
wona usasifuni vele
ayishi mfethu ngoba noma usefuna ukufocusa kamanye amantombazana akusakhona mfethu kimi is here angisho
Kimi
I'm willing ukuthi siyozama
aninamntwana
but are you willing to ungiqolela like after lento leyo after lento masozobuya emqondweni ukuthi
sobonakala khona
uthi uzongixolela na ukuthi mfethu if masekabuya like emqondweni wakhe mfethu angithola
into ozoyenza uzomkhomba le video lena ngithi masekabuye entweni yakhe
bafili akuna flop uma ngizozama ukuthi man nami hey
uzozibona naye ngithi from there ngoba uthi
but like ngicabanga ukuthi man nami uzongibheka kanjani after lelo video leyo
as cross that bridge leyo mase sifile ngathi ngithola
mfethu mara like ngiflopile video ngisho mara
uzomncane ngoba uzile lana wayishinda indaba yakho naye ukuzwile and then there is a solution that you guys are looking at
ngithola
yeah
sure amanye
so singayivala lapho sure it is what it is before it was what it was. It's your boy M. We're signing out and this is Save My Relationship. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. We out.